Hey guys, what's up? It is Brandy Chanell, and if you are new to my channel, here on this channel we talk about everything from hair to makeup to fashion to pretty much all things beauty and lifestyle. So if you haven't already, don't forget to hopscotch on over to that subscribe button, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you can join the notification gang and not miss any new videos. So let's get on to the subject matter. Come to you guys quickly. Today's video, as you can tell by the title, is about the makeup eraser. I have had this thing for probably a good 2 or 3 years, and I haven't even used it yet until today or yesterday. The footage you guys will see was from yesterday. But I got this for a birthday gift a couple years ago, like I said, and I just haven't used it. And I was like, let me do a video on my first impression of this magic eraser. So before I show you guys the footage, this thing is an awesome towel that does not require any soap, any oils, anything except for good old H2O. So let's get into the demo. So here are the 3 steps. First, you need to wash the eraser before using. Second, wet it with warm water and then use it. Original makeup eraser. It's my first time using it. I just washed it in the washing machine, as you saw in the clip before this. And so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna run some warm water in the sink, and I'll probably wet about like half of it. And I want to zoom in close so you guys can see the eye makeup that I have on. This eyeliner is 24-hour eyeliner, so it's typically pretty hard to come off. So I'm gonna do this eye because it's closer to the light, and then we'll see how quickly it comes off. And then I have like eyelash glue still stuck on my lashes. Look at that. Ooh. I don't have any foundation on because I already took that off. Foundation is never really a hard thing to come off for me, so I figured the eye makeup is always the hardest to get off. So let's try it and see if it works. Let me do the warm water and I'll be right back. All right, I'm gonna zoom you guys in, and here goes nothing. So here is the wet side, and this is what it looks like on the dry side. So, ooh. See if you can zoom in. Okay. All right, guys. Maybe I'll zoom out a little so you can see my 2 eyes. Just in circular motions. Okay, let's see how it looks so far. And it did come off pretty good. Let's see if I can get that around the lash line to come off, because that's always the toughest part. I mean, dang, that is pretty good. Considering there's no product whatsoever. And it's not really tugging at my eye at all, so that's good. There's still a little bit of that glue on there from my lashes, but I know. I mean, I would say pretty good. Pretty good. No makeup. And this is the makeup side. Or the eye look. Again, there's no foundation on either side. So I would give this would be great for travel. So I would definitely give this an 8 out of 10. If 8.5 out of 10 for sure. That was super easy. I never really have issues with my foundation, so I wanted to show you guys the most difficult thing to remove from my makeup routine, which is my eyeliner usually, and also the kind of leftover glue residue when I take off my false lashes. So that is what I showed you guys. So all in all, I would definitely give this cloth a 8.5. I wouldn't give it a 10 out of 10 because it's kind of on the more expensive side and get 1,000 uses out of it. I still think it's a little pricey, but it's absolutely worth it. So I give it a, I said 8.5, but I think I'm gonna give it a 9. I think I'm boosting it up to a 9 out of 10. Absolutely 9 out of 10. All right, I will catch you guys in my next one. Don't forget to thumbs up this video, and if you haven't already, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. All right, I'll catch you guys in my next one. Bye.